What's up, ladies? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Alexis, and I'm back and I'm giving you guys the quickest lash extension set you guys will ever see. So shout out to Veyes because they always be looking out for me. They created this new DIY lash extension kit. It comes with a bond, a sealant, some tweezers, and then 14 mm and 16 mm lashes. So I'm starting off by putting the lash bond onto my natural lashes. This bond basically is going to help the lashes stick to your eyelashes. So after this, there will be no other glue or adhesive needed. So I'm just lightly coating my natural lashes with the lash bond, and then after that you guys will basically see me begin the lash set. Personally, I like to start from the outer corner and then go to the inner corner. So for the lashes, I love me a good cat eye, so I did this 16 mm all the way down to the middle of my eye, and then I finished off with the 14 mm. So literally you guys can see that once you put the lash extension right over the glue, it kind of like adheres, and then you just push it on there just to make sure that it's secure. And when you're applying these lashes, just make sure that you're not putting them exactly on your lash line, just a little bit away from them. I only say this because you don't want the lashes to be in any way, shape, or form uncomfortable to your eyes. So if you're a lash girly, I would definitely say try out this kit, especially with the prices of lash extensions kind of going up a little bit. It is very convenient to be able to do your lashes at home, or if you just want that extra, pizzazz in your look, you can get it right at home, and it only takes a couple minutes. Altogether, doing both eyes, it only took me about 20 minutes and I was done, and I look like I just got my lashes done. So once I finished one side, I just went in with the tweezers to kind of like clamp everything together to make sure that the lashes are in place. And then I'm going to use the same method on the other eye. We're starting off with the lash bond, and then we're going to start with the 16 mm on the outer corner. Once we get to the middle, it'll be the 14 mm. Okay, so now that the lashes are all done, I'm going in with the seal, and I'm just putting it underneath where I was putting the lashes at, just so that it can take away that stickiness from the adhesive on your lashes. After that, it's up to you if you want to brush the lashes or whatever the case may be, but you're pretty much done. If you do want a more dramatic look, they do give you enough lashes to double them so that it'll look way more fuller. But I've just been loving the pretty natural look, so definitely is going to be my go-to. Y'all know I love me some VIs now, especially because I'm offering DIY lash extensions now. But you guys can see the difference at the top from the bottom. I'm definitely becoming a DIY girly as far as everything goes. So if you guys enjoy these little DIY videos, let me know and I'll come back with some more. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys check the description box for all links and information from VIs. Love you guys, and I will see you guys in the next one.